We'll guide you through how to save an Excel file to your desktop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, go and open up the Excel file you want to do this with. That's what I've gone and done. Now, maybe you want it on your desktop so you can easily go and access it, as you can easily just double click it there. Or alternatively, you may want it there so you can easily go and share it, or there may be another reason. Let's go and get right into this. So first of all, you need to head to the top left of Excel and you can go and click on File. Come down on the left here and select Save As. Then come over to the right and you can click on Browse. Now what you need to do is go to your desktop. To do this, come over to the left here and you can go and scroll up or potentially down depending upon where you are and go and find the option for desktop. Click it and here we are. Then what you can do is go and click on Save like so, change the name if you wish, and that's it, we've now saved it. I can close it and I can go and see it here. So I can then open it up and here we are. It's that simple. If you found this useful and you want to see more, then leave a like.